Hello guys, today I show you how to make word as a image. Okay, at first you watch the video. First you need to install Xplanadio 3.03. Okay, then click on the create project and enter the project name. Project name iOS. Okay, then create. After you creating the project, you there have a plus button. You just click on this and add slide selection. Now create the new screen. Okay, here is your screen. Now you put your text. First you put I. You resize the I. Then you put, and you also resize this. Then add S. Okay, then here is our text. Now you add your image. Click on the add bitmap image. Okay, just click add from your local file store. Then you go to your local file, select and click, and here is the option do not scratch. Just click on and add. Here is our image, and I also resize it, and you can resize it over the O. Okay, here is the O and here is the image. Okay, here is the four line. First is text, second is text, third is text, fourth one is logo. Then I create the effect. First click on the text and add new effect and choose the effect. Now click on the add new and select the scratch. Okay, and here is the timeline of the your effect. Okay, you just check it. Okay, then I click on the second text O, and I add bounce shot effect, then fade out effect. Okay, after the next text 3s, I just add scratch. Okay, then click, then I add iOS, and here I effect. Okay, we not need to add any effect. Okay, just after you create this, then you click on the preview. You check all of the effect, and whatever you like you add this. Okay, here is my video. Okay, then click on the create video. You click on the start export, then your video ready to export. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thanks.